Sir, what do you think about Dito? Is it worthy to hold? Number one, Dito has been operating for the longest time, pero it's not really doing anything to take a large piece of the market. Ask anyone kung meron silang Dito number, it's probably just a secondary number, 'di ba? Wala akong kilala na primary number nila yung Dito or primary telecom provider nila yung Dito. So, yan yung prospect na nakikita ko sa Dito kaya parang hindi siya worthy of holding. Kung naabutan mo na yung Sun Cellular, sobrang benta niya dati, di ba? Lahat ng tao may Sun Cellular. Pero ano yung positioning ni Sun Cellular? Secondary number pa rin siya. So either people will have a Globe primary number and a Sun Cellular backup number or a Smart primary number and a backup Sun Cellular. So despite everyone having Sun Cellular, ano nangyari sa Sun? Hindi rin siya talaga bumenta, no? Because it is a secondary number. When times are hard, that's one of the things that people will let go of. They will retain their primary number and just get rid of their secondary number. So, yun yung nakikita ko kay Dito. Yun yung position niya ngayon sa telecom market. It's a secondary number for almost everyone. So, I don't see any good prospects for it in the future. Dito is a good trading stock, but for a long-term hold, I don't see it as something profitable. Okay? So that is my personal opinion. I don't trade the local stock market. May nagtanong na tungkol sa Dito noon and sinabi ko na ayoko siya. Maraming nagalit sa akin noon kasi mga Ditonatics, no? So but wala na sila ngayon. Yung kaka-defend nila sa Dito, ayaw nilang maniwala sa akin na ang bottom line ng stocks, if you're going to hold it for the long term, is the profitability of the company. Regardless of what you see sa price movement niya, ang magdadala sa isang company na tumaas yung stock price niya is the business performance. So, always go for the business prospect of a company. Okay? So, yan yung ating sagot sa iyo, Alex. Yeah.